Welcome to Chalk Paint 101, where I'll show you how to create a beautiful finish in just one coat. Chalk paint is a versatile and easy to use paint that can transform your old furniture into stylish pieces for your home. Make sure you stir your paint really well before applying, and I'm just going to apply, as I said at the beginning, one coat of chalk paint. That's all it needs. Apply it thoroughly all over your piece, and in this case I'm also going to use it on the hardware. I'm using a synthetic bristle brush and I am lightly going over the details, and I like to do this because it allows the original wood to still pop through and it gives a great effect with the wax. In order for my one coat of chalk paint to really shine, I'm going to do a technique where I wax it and then I go back and I sand it and then I wax it again. The wax that I am applying is Dixie Belle's clear wax. Now this piece of furniture is very old. The mirror's backing was coming off, so I used Gorilla Tape to adhere it back onto the back of the mirror. In order to make my one coat of chalk paint really shine, I go back in with sanding paper. I use a tougher sanding paper, which is about an 80 grit, on the hardware, just to allow the original finish to pop through, as well as the details. And I wrap a sanding sponge in 400 grit, which is rather fine, and I go over the entire piece over the wax I had applied a few days previously. Once the sanding was complete on the body of the piece, I again applied another coat of clear wax over the body. This is one coat of chalk paint, and I'm going to go in and buff it, and that really makes the piece shine. And now I'm adding my dark wax, and you can't tell, it's missing a keyhole on the top left, but with the dark wax it doesn't even show. I use the same process over the entire piece of furniture, and I am doing this on the mirror right now with the 400 grit. I go back with the 80 grit over the detail. And the next step is to add another coat of clear wax. I go back in with a rag and I buff it out, and now I'm applying my dark wax onto the details. This piece is so old, and I really enjoy paint techniques that celebrate the age and highlight it and enhance it and don't try to hide it. And now we are putting the whole piece back together. The final touch was to add sparkling new glass drawer pulls to the top drawers. Here you can see the finished product. I believe that the paint is beautiful. It is one coat. It allows the actual beauty of the old piece to pop through, and the sanding and wax technique creates a beautiful, soft, and glowing finish. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.